This girl is on fire with cherry desire. You like the way I serenade your boo? That's gonna be $5, bitch. Hey guys, it's Skelly here, and we're doing some underarms today with that Cherry Desire by Sexy Smooth Wax. Look how sexy it go on. Look how smooth it go on. Wax lady know what she doing with that wax stick. Make that wax your bitch, wax lady, we see ya. Now once you complete the strip and close those borders, make sure you check to see if it's dry. Like, see, yep, it's good. Take it off, wax lady. Let's see what we're working with. Got a nice little lip right there to grip on, and just ka-ching, ka-ching, take it off. And look at that, guys. Beautiful. This is dry. We're gonna do a little stagger pull, or you can do a relaxed pull. It's up to you, but we like stagger daggers over here. See, this is a stagger, and then dagger, and that's it. A little breadcrumbs came off, and then we can follow up with that pretty kitty and body oil. Click the link in the bio to grab yours. Don't forget to exfoliate to get rid of dark spots, and we are all set.